What's going on, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. It's Thierry VO here with Trillionaire Hustle, help you build your financial muscle, man. Listen, we all want to get to financial freedom. That's the goal. We all want to get to financial freedom, and I believe one way we can definitely win is definitely through the stock market. We can all win with the stock market. It is a beautiful thing once you start to understand the nuances and how it works and all that good stuff, man. But today I want to talk to y'all about a different sector that people don't usually talk about. You can buy real estate through the stock market. Buying real estate through the stock market, certain stocks are traded as REITs, REITs. And those stand for Real Estate Investment Trust. Anytime you buy a share of those, you are buying pieces of real estate. And the beautiful thing I like about REITs is that they have to pay a dividend. They have to pay a dividend. So your money's growing while they're also paying a dividend, right? Now, there's a lot of different REITs and all that other good stuff. But today, I'm going to focus on one of the REITs I found out what I think is a little gem or whatever. One of the REITs I found out which I think is a gem. It's called NNT. That's the ticker symbol. Letter N. N as in Nancy, N as in Nancy, N as in Nancy. National Retail Properties, right? Just go through the numbers real quick, and then I'm gonna give you all some stats, right? So, the NNC current share price, $42.48 per share. A little expensive, but like I said, depends on who's buying it, and you can also get fractional shares. You don't gotta buy a whole share. You can just build yourself up or whatever. Dividend yield, 5.91. That means for every $100 spent, you're getting paid back $5.91 in this REIT, right? Now, the beautiful thing about this REIT, they have a 30-year payment history. They're still new, but 30 years of payment history is a pretty good solid foundation to go off to see, okay, they might just continue to keep paying that REIT. 30 years is a pretty strong number, man. And also out of that 30 years, the last 11 years have shown dividend growth, meaning that every year for the last 11 years, the dividend yield has gone up a little bit. I mean, they're making more money, so they're giving more back to the customers, right? Now, the last 5 years, revenue, 514, and this is in billions, by the way. 514, 583, 621, 669, 658. Now the 669, and they dropped to the 658. I believe that's due to the pandemic last year. I think all businesses are going to get a pass on their 2020 income. Now, the ones that did not drop at all, even during the pandemic, those are strong businesses to watch. You got to pay attention to those. Now, a lot of businesses have been affected, but those who wasn't affected at all, those are called recession-proof businesses, man. You got to pay attention to those businesses. You might want to put those in your portfolio also. But today we're just talking about NNN, National Retail Properties, right? Now, doing some research, you know I love to talk about research and all that good stuff. Doing some research about this company, these are some of the stats I found out what I think is beautiful. Beautiful. Listen, check this out. NNN, National Retail Properties, right, own 3,114 properties across 48 states. They own 32 million square feet of real estate space. They own 3,000 properties. 3,000 properties across 48. That means they're across the whole America. They're across the whole America owning real estate. So when you buy a share in this company, you own real estate across the whole America. Not literally and figuratively speaking, right? But you own a piece of that real estate, and your money's there, and you're making money with them. Now, they have, out of all that real estate they own, 3,114. They have people basically still on 10 years contract, right? Because it's real estate space. People who are renting real estate from them or whatever, they have 10 years remaining on contract. I mean, for the next 10 years, I'm not saying you're guaranteed a payment, but you're somehow guaranteed a payment. If you catch what I'm trying to say, they have 10 years. The next 10 years, they already have that on contract of the money that's coming in. Guys, they are operating at a 95% profit. Dude, that is crazy. 95% profit. 95% profit. That's a beautiful business, man. 95% profit. And then also we have now their long-term debt, which I don't like. You know, I don't like debt, but debt for real estate companies are very different. So and debt is 42% long-term debt, but remember, their debt is tied of like, okay, they get the building, then they rent the building out or whatever. So the person who's paying the rent is who's actually paying off the building. So yes, the debt is on their books, but they already have in place contract. Like I said, for the next 10 years, somebody's gonna be paying that debt off for them. So it's not even them who's actually gonna be paying the debt. It's the people who they're renting to that's actually paying off their debt. So I think it's a beautiful business. Once you get your mind around that, you can buy real estate on the stock market. I just want everybody to win. We can all win with stocks. I'm gonna keep these videos coming. Like, subscribe, comment down below, man. Support your boy, support the channel. Let's run it up, man. I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. Out.